Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So let's now see what happened in the market since I have uploaded my last weekly analysis video, and actually we have a lot of updates. So let's now begin with the EURUSD. So now what we can see here on the EURUSD, my friends, that the signal has almost been activated, which I have sent of course last Saturday. As you can see, the market has reversed just like I think 9 pips or actually even 10 pips from my entry point, which means the signal sadly hasn't been triggered, but at least the market is going in the right direction. So now what we have here on the EURUSD is actually what we can call like a head and shoulders pattern. So as you can see right now, we have here the head and shoulders, and right now the EURUSD most likely, after bouncing on this level of a real support, most likely right now is going to continue the rise to retest the broken level of a resistance right here, and afterward it will even continue the fall toward our original take profit level, which actually can be expanded a little bit more just till the real level of a support right here at 1.109. So allow me please to adjust now my take profit level to be at 1.096 right here. Now for the entry. Now of course, since we're having here the real level of a resistance, sorry, right here exactly, and right there. Sorry, not sorry, I was that's mistake. Sorry, I meant right here. We are having here, of course, the broken level of a resistance, which was also a support right here, and indeed has been broken out from. So therefore, that, my friends, has got to be our new sell level exactly right there, just right there exactly, right here. Why right here? Because right here, of course, we have a resistance number 1, and this is the nearest level of a resistance to this bearish breakout candle, and that is going to be the best level to place our sell order again after the market rise again to create the resistance number 2. Therefore, just please allow me, let me just edit the signal right now, 1 second. And there goes our new deal for the EURUSD. We have to wait for the pair to rise to another 18 pips before we can start shorting it again. And until then, let's see what will gonna happen. I just noticed actually with the naked eyes just right now while I'm talking, this level of a resistance. Wow, that's nice. So we have here, of course, a real level of a resistance trend line became a support trend line, a resistance trend line, support trend line for 2 times. Therefore, if the EURUSD will continue the rise, it will not only face the pressure of this resistance, but also the pressure of the resistance trend line as well. So it will continue the fall. Therefore, we can actually expect to make around 91 pips profit from this signal, and a safe zone ranging for 40 pips only. That's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, so Pound USD is approaching our take profit level. So what's gonna happen next with this pair? Actually, we are actually right now, let me just show it to you in the daily chart. So let me just, I need to scroll to the left side to show it to you. 1 second. Right here, exactly. Look at that. Oh shit, 1 second. Yes, right here we can see that the market right now is actually respecting this level of a support at 1.307, and right now we can expect from the Pound USD to make a bounce right now at this moment. So therefore, if it's gonna make any bounces, my goodness, we can actually resell this pair at this level of a previous real level of a support, which indeed has been broken out from at 1.310. Now I have to delete the old signal because right now we have somehow a mess here. Now what's going to happen next is, based on the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly that we have right here, of course, a resistance number 1. So again, we will wait for the market to rise again, and we will short the Pound USD right on the second attempt of the support. Now remember that we also have right here a broken level of a support trend line. Check this out. So we have a potential for the market to continue the rise against our direction by at least 26 pips, and that actually, you know something? Okay. Actually, I changed my mind. Let me just make sure that we are selling the Pound USD just on the best level possible. My initial sell level was actually right here on this level of a support, but the market is gonna rise very soon, and I told you there is a potential for the market to continue the rise to reach that level of a broken support trend line to create a new resistance trend line. So I think it's gonna be better to just wait for the market to rise all the way right here. That's gonna be the best level at all to sell the pound USD, considering that on the left side also we have here the nearest level of a key resistance. Yes, I actually have changed my mind just right now in the middle of the signal, and our take profit level is gonna be right here, of course, at the real level of a resistance right here, exactly at 1.299. We can even make it at 1,300, I think. No, 1.299 is gonna be our take profit level, expecting around 125 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a real resistance at 1.317, ranging for around 55 pips only against 126 pips of profit. And that's everything, my friends, for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD, my friends, is about to be triggered soon, I believe. The market right now is actually respecting this level of a previous resistance right here, exactly at 0.664, and right now it's starting the pullback. Most likely it will continue the rise toward our sell level, and hopefully it will be triggered very soon. So therefore, AUDUSD signal just remains the same. Let's now move to the USDCAD. USDCAD is activated, and this was very accurate entry. As we can see, zero drawdown. I hope you guys have taken this signal, and before we continue again, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So USDCAD is activated and running so far in a good profit of around, I think, 20 pips maybe. Almost, yeah, 19-20 pips. So the signal is just good and activated. Let's now move to the next one and go to the NZD-USD. NZD-USD has actually indeed hit the take profit level. So now what's next with this signal? Of course, it hasn't been triggered, but now what we can do next with this pair? Actually, right now, the NZD-USD is facing right here a real level of a resistance, as we can see. And we are actually expecting from this pair to continue the rise to reach that level of a broken support trend line and creates a new resistance trend line. So that means that the market will continue the rise toward this level of a real resistance. We have here a resistance number 1, and we are looking to short this pair right on the second attempt of the resistance. Also, the same level of resistance right here was strong enough to hold the position to create a support number 1, but instantly being broken out from. Why? Because we have here, of course, head and shoulders as well, and the bearish movement is way stronger than the bullish, and of course supported by that level of a broken support trend line. The market right now is facing a lot of pressure to continue the fall, and most likely this time we can actually target at least the previous level of a real resistance, which was right here exactly as 0.608. So we are looking to short the NZD-USD exactly right here at the real level of a resistance as 0.617, which was also the highest level of a real resistance as well. Therefore, let me just make sure that our safe zone also shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance as 0.620, and that means that our new signal is targeting at least 94 pips of profit and a safe zone that ranges only for 33 pips. Let's now move to the USDCHF. Alright, so now I still really don't feel comfortable to give a signal about the USDCHF, but what I see right now seems like the market is actually respecting that level of a support. So I believe we might actually be able to give a signal on the USDCHF. So right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, actually we are having here, of course, a double bottom pattern. And of course, the long tails right here indicates a strong pressure on this level of a support zone. And that means that right now the USDCHF is actually facing right here a resistance and might actually right now begin the pullback. And afterward, it will most likely respect this level of a real support right here exactly at 0.845. Now, first of all, this was a real level of a support, as we can see right here, which was also the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle. That is my strategy always. Look at the bullish breakout candle, then look at the nearest level of a real support and place your buy accordingly exactly right here on the same level of that support. Now, just to confirm this entry, we can actually rely or ask the help of a Fibonacci retracement. And as we can see exactly is Fibonacci 50, which actually gives it actually even better confirmation that we can indeed buy the market right here. But just for the sake of it, can we use another sort of confirmation right here? The answer is yes. We can actually rely on the support trend line, as we can see, just like that. So right here we have, of course, a support trend line. Has faced a fake breakout, and right now if the USDCHF will continue the fall right here to complete the pullback, it will face a lot of pressures. Real level of a support trend line, Fibonacci 50. I mean, that's a lot of pressure on this pair, so therefore we can buy the pair exactly at 0.845, targeting at least the nearest level of a highest level of a resistance right here at 0.853, which means we are looking to make around, let me just set our take profit to be right here exactly at the peak of the resistance, target at least 81 pips pips of profit, and a safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of a real support at 0.841, ranging for around 37 pips only. And there goes our deals, my friend, for the remaining days of this week. Again, I believe it's gonna be a good week, and hopefully we will make all good profits together with these awesome signals. Stay tuned. I will upload soon as well our new analysis on the gold, because as we can see, it has reversed just like 50 pips far away from our entry, but right now running in around 200 pips. This was almost a good signal, but sadly hasn't been triggered. So again, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, and until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.